Hi everyone, it is Sandra from Midwest Charm. I had mentioned that we were going to go to yard sale days in a neighboring town, and we did. And we filled my truck. So I'm going to show you how packed it is, and then we're going to empty it out and show you what we got and what we paid for it if we can remember. No judging. So here we go. So there is a few bags in here from Target and from Bath and Body Works. We have an outlet by us, and we went and picked up some candles, cat food, necessities. So that stuff obviously does not count. So I think these are yours, Kitty. Hey, get out of my coffee. The kitties are drinking my coffee. So first up, we have this set of 3 nesting tables. They are real wood. Actually they're not, but the legs are. These aren't. These, I am going to get them painted up into, I can't decide if I'm going to do ombre and do 3 different shades of a color, or just do them all the same and do something on the top with transfers. Haven't decided yet. These were $15. We paid $15 for those. Right here. Flip it around. This is just a magazine rack. I paid, I think, $1 for that. Was that a yard sale, or we got a bunch and she just kind of priced it to sell? So now you're gonna see here some of my clearance finds at Target. These are Hearth and Hand, which is Chip and Joanna Gaines's line. These were on clearance. I think we paid $7.49 a piece from, and I kind of have this tealy color in my room right now. So, a carpet too, a little throw rug was $7.49 as well, and it's really cute, but we can't get to that quite yet. So I'm gonna have Katie move some of this. Are you running those in right away? I can go through this box if you do. You can go put those on my bed, okay, sugar? All right, so, oops, I'll have you move your baskets up there. So, actually, I'm going to go over here and open this door. You guys, I mean, we had every inch of this packed. We passed so many yard sales on our way back through town, and we couldn't stop. This right here is a plant stand. It just needs to be reattached and painted. And this was $2, I believe. So we'll get that out of here. Kind of make this side easier for. This has got both Katie's and my goodies, not just mine. Oh, real close up there. Sorry, guys. But look how cute this is. And then it's like a ladder, and it kind of opens up. So, all right. Here is that accent rug. Now this box here, we paid $5 for the entire box, and we couldn't really look through and see the contents so much because it's all still wrapped and whatnot. But there's a butter dish, false graph. It's cute. But there was stuff like this little green jar, which would be super cute. Oh my gosh, Katie, there's a glass rooster. Its beak is broken though, and it's right here, so you could probably even re-glue it. Katie collects chickens and roosters. So there's that. There's some old ball jars in here with the lids. There's a couple of those. I had seen just enough in here that I knew it would be worthwhile grabbing. This one's so cute. You can see my doggers back there. There's this, which is very croc-like. It is. There's a label. Oh, it has something on it. Cuteness. I didn't really, again, dig through it. We just kind of grabbed it and figured it was worth $5 with those jars in here alone. So, let me turn it this way. Here is this dresser. I know it's not standing up, but we paid $20 for this dresser. And then everything else is kind of small. So let me put it, guys, on a pause quick while we get some stuff out, and we'll finish up. Okay, not a great angle at all, but let me show you some of the stuff we got. Let me just bring you over here. This is the Target part of Katie's haul, and some of Katie's stuff has already gone in. All right, I got 4 coasters that are like the chalkboard from Hobby Lobby. I paid $1 for the 4 of them. Some little feet, 50 cents. And at that same yard sale, I got a little jewelry box. That was $1. The felt is beautiful. An enamelware lid. This was on a free table. Didn't pay for it. This is just more of a crafting thing because I'm sure there's stuff I'll find to do with it. I got an vintage yardstick. I have several of these. Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. Come here. I have a collection of those actually in the big garage. Paid $0.25 for an old rusty, crusty cheese grater. I'm actually going to repurpose that and do a craft with it. I'm really excited about this. I actually paid, she marked them down to $3 for me, and then everything at her sale was half off. So I paid $1.50 for what is in here. You guys, I found shiny, bright Christmas ornaments. Now, there's not a ton in some of these. Like here's a little acorn and a little pine cone and then a little bell. There's several pine cones in here. I don't want to tip them forward. I'm afraid I'll drop them. So there's 5 in that one. I just love the boxes too. So these will probably, I'm going to put some of them into a glass jar. Probably these ones here. And then display the box. But this one, let me see if I can tip it a little bit. It's got so much pretty goodness in them. A lot of pinks. They're also really faded red. But I absolutely love them. I have some other shiny brights. I don't know if they would have been in my haul last year, or they're probably in really old videos, I'll be honest. I do love them. They look so pretty, just the boxes. I had them last year up on top of the hutch in our dining room. Let's see. $1 for a candlestick. And anybody who thrifts or does thrifts and yard sales knows these things can go $5 to $10 at Goodwill right now. I got this bronze looking pitcher that'll be great with some florals in it. I paid $1 for that. I got some wood pieces here. I think this is for a clock or something, but I plan to make a tray out of it. Put some feet on it. This is just another piece of wood plaque. I don't know if I'm going to do a sign or do a tray. A breadboard. All these pieces were $1. I got a breadboard. It's already painted green, so I will probably paint something over that, maybe a chippy milk paint, and just to have it chip back to that green color because I don't mind the green. I paid $2 for the set of 2, and these were $13.99 each originally at Hobby Lobby. Those. This is for me. This is not being resold or repurposed in any way. Old brass doorknob. And then this, it's all in pieces right now, but it's a Christmas tree. I was looking for a way to display the handmade ornaments I make, and I'm gonna actually put this together and see if I can get this to work for that. All right, I still have more to go. Oh, that was a 75 cents. It was at the half off sale, so it was marked $1.50 for that tree. I paid $0.25 for this little crock. This will get a stamp or a transfer on it. And then you know me, I love little white creamers. I don't even know if you can see the color because it's really bad out here. But just a simple little white creamer. I mentioned in my previous thrift haul we had gotten some stuff that didn't make it in. So here's the little box that didn't make it in yesterday. This was all 50 cents each. What was that? Something fell. And here's that little box. Super cute. And then the flannel I had mentioned. It's a really nice thick one. A little tie-dyed shirt for Char. And Hot Wheels. What fell over there?
I don't know.
Okay.
Wait, over here?
Oh no, over there. I don't know. I got this wreath. I paid $3 for it. It has eggs. You guys, I'm totally pulling them off because I don't like it. But you know I'm always on a hunt for a good wreath and greenery.
Mom,
all right.
Did you say my name?
I got this little thing here. This is actually for wine glasses on the bottom, and it holds the wine on top. I did pay the full $5 for this. I don't even know if I'm going to paint this because I kind of like the wood tone on this. And I know my lighting's harsh, but this is pretty accurate right there. It's super cute. It already has the thing to hang on the wall. I'm going to get some dollar store wine glasses to put in there for staging. And then, okay. So we do every year a family football league, and the loser every year has to have a punishment. And our punishment this year is for the draft next year, you have to wear a onesie, and we have a couple of them. And I found one at a yard sale, you guys. It's a chicken. Katie said she may actually use this for Halloween. But too good to pass up for $2. $2. I got this wooden bowl. This will get painted and distressed back. It was $1. And then we made a quick stop at Goodwill. Pull Katie's stuff out. So actually, I'll show you Katie's stuff. She got this to hang up for a candle. And then another candle holder. It's a little party light one. This was $4.99 and this was $6.99. And I'll be honest, we thought that we had gotten texted for a coupon for 20% off. So the higher prices, we were like, it's okay. Only to find out that it doesn't start till tomorrow. So we paid full price on those. I got this adorable bird, and it's a pretty yellow right now. I probably won't keep it yellow. I'll be honest, you guys. I'll probably do teal. But I thought he was cute as all get out. I have 2 of these. I paid $5.99 each. The bird I think was $4.99. These will most likely get painted. I probably will not leave these with the fake chippy. And then this little piece, I will get this painted up. I will probably do an undercoat of black and then do another coat on top. And last but not least are these blocks. These were 99 cents a piece, but they're for candle holders. And if you watched my previous haul, I got some glass votive candles. I'm going to put inside of these, but I am going to paint these up and put something on these. I just am not sure what yet. So that is everything. Not bad for a final haul before I go under the knife. I'm really happy. We got some really fun stuff, and I got some smalls to work on while I'm recovering, which will be good. Please like, subscribe, and share. And let me know below what was your favorite item and what you can't wait to see flipped. And we'll see you next time. Bye.